It's Craft Your Studio, and today we're going to decorate, carve pumpkins. We got this at the dollar store, and it's a no-carve pumpkin kit, and I'm going to be doing this one. We bought this at the dollar store, and it's a pumpkin carving kit. I'm going to sketch a bat on my pumpkin with my pencil. So we opened up the package, and I found ears, wings, and eyes. And also, we have scary teeth. So I'm going to figure out where to put my pumpkin face. So I picked this spot because it's really smooth. And now I'm going to put it Now I'm going to start out with the eyes. Wow.
Oh,
Pumpkin seeds.
Oh, that smells.
Look at the pumpkin seeds. Wow. Now we're going to be dumping the pumpkin seeds. Let me get this
pumpkin seeds.
Hold it down. Two fell out. Hold it down.
Oh my god.
Whoa. So, whoa. They still have a lot more. Let me carve it up.
Oh my god. It's like cheese.
I hope you like our video. Please subscribe, and I hope you have a happy Halloween. Bye!